Okay, so back to me getting ready for my next trip. So let me turn that on. I love taking different wigs with me when I travel. I think we're going to do a wig giveaway next month. Maybe we'll give away one of these wigs here, whichever one I don't choose. So for my next trip, I love taking different colored red wigs. So we prepared these two here, and I want you guys to help me decide which one of these. How would I accurately describe this color?
It's a custom copper.
It's custom copper, because you know we do custom color here. Do I want to do this one here? Let me straighten her out a little too. She's cute. She's got a little customization to the side here. How's that?
That's cute. Brush her out.
What do we think about this? This is option A. So should I take option A with me? Boom. Or option B. Should I go straight or deep body wave? Now these are similar reds, but very different. So let me show you guys here. Similar, but very different. So that's one thing that's great about being able to customize the color is we can literally do anything. So they're not the exact same. Hopefully this color is coming out on camera. I think I'm gonna love this one right here, but we'll see. We'll let people give their suggestions. Or should I go with option B? Should I go with this red?
Pull it back. Yeah.
So option A or option B? I think I like option B. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Option A or option B? Option A or option B? Don't forget. Actually, I probably wouldn't use this. Well, you can use this type of paddle brush on this hair, but we also have our curler, our more curl defining brush that we'll have available. And I'm definitely traveling with my flat iron next week because I'll have a kinky straight wig. And if I'm styling the kinky straight wig, I would definitely use my hot comb. This obviously isn't plugged in, but this is perfect for traveling. Like if you want to travel, have your wigs together and styled, and you don't want to bring a bunch of tools, grab one of our hot combs here. So these will be available on our website next week. And then also we will have our bonnets. We will have long and short. So for this particular wig, I would actually put on our longer bonnet, which is, it goes much longer. Let me see if I can grab one. Do we have one over here? No. I'll show you guys one of our longer bonnets a little bit later, but for your longer curly styles, you can use one of our longer bonnets. So we'll have two different sizes of bonnets available, and yes, they are fully lined satin on the inside. These are great to use for your natural hair or for your wigs. Keep your edges and your hair nice, happy, and healthy. So check out our products that will be available on our website next week on the 14th. I don't want to see anybody in the airport with a Magic Hair Company bonnet on. Don't do it with this one, do it with the other bonnets. And yeah, so let me know in the comments which wig I should wear, add to my collection next week for my trip. Should I do the straight or should I do the deep body wave? I think I'm leaning towards the deep body wave, but let me know what you think. Bye.